Hi, welcome to this brief tutorial on LegiScan. So LegiScan.com is a free bill tracking tool that you can use. It will really come in handy, especially in your health policy course. Before you get started, you will need to complete their free registration to create an account. I'm going to go ahead and log into mine to show you how it works. Over here on the left-hand side is the search menu. I've got my home state set as Kentucky. I'm going to use the full text search to look for keywords that match my topic of interest. The default is set to current session, but to expand your search, I'd recommend switching this to all. So that will be all past legislation that might include your keyword. Now I'm going to search for a keyword, kratom, because I know that recently there was a law passed in Kentucky regulating the sale of this substance. So once you get a set of results in LegiScan, you're going to want to look at the status to see whether it's passed, whether it's been just introduced. Some will also say fail if the legislation has already failed. But if it says pass, then go ahead and check the last action column. Laws usually have been signed by the governor. If you would like to see more detail on the law itself or the bill that created the law, you can click on the link. Usually under text, there will be the full text that will pull up the PDF. You can also see the representatives that sponsored the original bill, and you can see all the votes under the roll call section and the history of the bill. Now, of course, this is a very simple example. Many times in the health policy course, you will have to try many different full text searches to find an appropriate law to use in that course. But if you have any issues with searching LegiScan, feel free to reach out to the library, and we're always happy to help.